Next mod for the deadbolt is 4-link conversion. That's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna switch this to the 4-link conversion and get rid of that Y-link. It stretches the front end out a little bit further. So it's really easy to do. And I'm gonna do it with aluminum links because I switched everything over in the last video to aluminum. But you can use the plastic links. These are the two that came off already. You should have gotten an extra set of links and an extra drive shaft. So the extra set of links is slightly longer than the links that are already on the deadbolt. So because I wanted to switch over to aluminum, I didn't want to put these plastic ones on. Fortunately, I was able to find aluminum links that were the same size as the spare plastic ones that came with the deadbolt. But I had to buy a whole set, which I won't be using. I'm just going to be using 2 of these. And then the rest, I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest. Also, these are silver colored. I'm going to switch them over to the gold colored ones because that's what all the other ones are. So I'm going to take the gold ones out of the Y-link there and switch them over and put them in these. Doing this 4-link conversion, you're also going to have to get rid of this drive shaft and swap it out with another one. Now, there should have been one that came with your spare parts. I can't find mine. So I got another one from Mofo RC and it did come with stickers, so stickers is always good. We're gonna probably put them right here on the side. But I did get a drive shaft. We're gonna have to do some cutting. To do the 4-link, you have to take these ones that are on the bottom that are connected to the axle. Those go up where the Y-link is, and then it gets connected to the servo tray. So these will end up being your shorter links and they go on top, and then the longer ones go on the bottom. So you see how much further it's going to stretch the axle out, which means this servo is actually going to hit the bumper. So we have to take this front bumper off and just run no bumper. So enough talking, let's get wrenching. Before I put the drive shaft on, I wanted to show you how much further it puts the front steering servo. As you can see, it does hit the front bumper and the bumper brace there. So we do have to take it off. See, now the servo does fit up inside the frame there. Now we can work on putting this drive shaft in. Okay, so the end of it is gonna be right there. There we go, we are done with the 4-link conversion. So it does stretch the front out a little bit further, and I see the body does hit the top of the servo horn there. Might have to trim off this excess so that way it doesn't hit the body. Other than that, I like the way it looks. Next we're gonna add the brass diff covers, brass steering knuckles, and also the Trill bead locks with RC 4-wheel drive tires and wheel weights. And the wheel weights widen the stand. But there is one final thing I have to do before this video is over. We have to put these Mofo RC stickers on. Thanks for watching this 4-link conversion on this SCX24 Deadbolt.